Did you miss me, old girl? It's been a while, hasn't it? Missed you. You were my first car and you always will be. I have to dust you off and clean you. Sorry I wasn't here. It's out of my control, Clementine. We all know why I'm not able to see you as much as I like. I'm glad I built her. This car I built piece by piece. Some people say it's a money hole because of it being such an old vehicle. But I don't mind. I like older cars. This is my 62 Dodge. My mom wants to fix it up as a farm car so we can haul hay. So she can have her own vehicle. But she buys it off me or takes it off me. That just means I'm going to get an older vehicle. There's my other baby. She needs more work than ever, but she's worth it. She's a 23. I show them off, but I'm a lot. You know, it's because I'm very proud of them. You know, my things I've built up. When I started, that didn't even have didn't have the headlights. It really didn't have much, but I'm glad I did what I did. I wouldn't take it back. You know, sure, I'm no longer living here, but you know, I wouldn't take it back for anything. I got my dream car. I just need to get her back there. I need to get her body in the back. Model T Haven will have it. I just need to get this part right here and get her back on the road. This I can take on the road. This one will go fast. Well, with all the things like aluminum heads and pistons and, you know, the spiral gear, it'll go 60 miles an hour and I can actually go places on the road around here. Clementine, on the other hand, just doesn't really go too fast. She goes like 25 maximum, and this goes 100. You know, she goes pretty fast. But there's a thing that throws off a lot of people, is that she is a stick. Oh, come on. That's why I hate mud wasps. Look what they do. They ruin a lot of things. I hate mud wasps. That's why. Some little person was in here, and now there's mud wasp in here because of them. It's frustrating, but oh well. There's nothing I can do about it, can there? This is the first time I've got to see them in a while. I have to tape this up. Someone did something stupid. They poked holes in this, and now there's mud wasp in there. Nice. Anywho, I hope you enjoy my vehicles as much as I do. Look at that jack. Oh, come on. Someone threw trash back here, and I already know who it was. Yeah. Anywho. Yeah. Hurts me that I can't see my Clementine as much as I would love to. She's a beautiful car. Almost 100 years old. Yeah, let me see if I can get it. That's me trying to get this started because that's always been a tricky one. Damn it. Well, I'm sure if this was someone else's garage or it belonged to a certain son, it would probably be a lot more taken care of. Anywho, later everyone. Hope you enjoy the video.